Hey guys, and welcome to Techy Taca.
Over the last month, we have unboxed and had a look at the Logitech M190 wireless mouse and the Rebel Evolve wireless headphones, the videos of which have been linked in the description below. Continuing on the trend of unboxing work from essential products, we have a webcam that comfortably sits under the 1000 rupees bracket for this video. So, if you are on the lookout for a webcam for daily use, this video is definitely for you, where we'll unbox the Quantum QHM495LM Webcam, which is a budget webcam that will most certainly suit your needs. The Quantum QHM495LM 6 Lite webcam for laptop or desktop is a budget webcam that sells for around 800 rupees on Amazon, the link for which is provided in the description below. It's a plug and play webcam that can capture 480 pixels footage at a maximum refresh rate of 30 frames per second with a 58-degree viewing angle. It also has 6 LEDs on the sides of the lens that supposedly helps in capturing better footage at night, and it captures them as MP4 videos. The webcam comes in a tiny red box that has the specs of the device on its side and the manufacturing details towards the rear, along with its price. On the other side, there are several QR codes that link to the company's social media handles. Opening it up, we first see the webcam itself that comes in a flimsy plastic wrapper, along with a card and a user manual. The card asks the user to provide feedback on how the user finds the product to be, and it's quite good to see that they even appreciate negative criticism. Next up, we have the user manual of the device, which provides a description of every component of the device and the warranty details. Keeping it aside, let's move on to the star of the show, which is the webcam itself. You can connect it to your laptop or desktop with the help of a 1 meter long USB 2.0 cable and use it without having to install any specific software or drivers. Removing the plastic wrapping, we get to see the webcam in its full glory. The head of the webcam houses the LEDs and the lens and can be tilted as required to get the perfect shot. There's also a snapshot button towards the top of the webcam, which allows for the user to capture still images during recording, kinda similar to what the print screen button does in a computer. The stand towards the bottom of the device has a clasp, which is adjustable and can be used to prop the webcam on any sort of mount with the help of this board, or even on top of laptop screens or desktop monitors. There's also a dedicated on-off switch behind the webcam which can be used to turn the device on and off. As usual, we'll try it out for a couple of weeks and let you know how it holds up for a working professional. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel and let us know what else you'd like us to unbox next time in the comments below. Until next time, peace out.